Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies for mid-month of December 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take, take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours, alright? Let's see what's there for my Libras. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Alright, so let's see what's there for my Libras. Mid-December 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, Libras. At the back of the deck, we have the Page of Wands. This is your overall energy right now. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius over here. Okay. There is some planning which could be going on, you are planning to do something or you are working on to something new. It could be passionate you are about the situation. It could have brought a lot of enthusiasm in that situation. It could be a situation, it could be a new person also who is seeming a little passionate towards you, and you are also passionate and you are also happy towards this person. It's like a new energy which is coming towards you. Okay. In the past, we have Two of Swords, Strength and the Magician. So I see a lot of self-love situation. Self-love. Okay, so I see a lot of self-love situation in the past for you, Libras. And it could be like, you were not ready at that particular time to be with somebody, and you were taking a lot of time. Might be healings were there, might be compassion was there. You were trying to focus on yourself more at that particular time than others. I see some selfishness energies. There was self-love, but a little of selfishness, as the Magician is also here. Although I really am getting that this selfishness energy could be because of somebody else, which they might have not given you enough worth. So you started practicing self-love and manifestation in the past. So because of that, you started to be with yourself more, and you started to value yourself more. To some people, it was like, you have changed a lot. You are not the person you were before. So somebody might have told you that this and that thing as well. Not to listen to them, please, because you were in your own aura at that particular time. In the present, we have the Moon, Seven of Cups and King of Cups. Okay, so it's like things could be, because of that manifestation and self-love techniques, you could have developed a lot of intuition. Some people might be trying to go into deep depth, something like, something new, something different, kind of unique energies you could be practicing, or you could be seeing some dreams as well of because I am seeing daydreams as well as night dreams as well. So this is the reason I'm saying dreamy energies are coming up for you over here. We'll clarify what this is more. In the coming future, we have Four of Cups, Five of Swords and Seven of Wands. Sorry, Five of Swords. Yeah, Four of Cups, Five of Swords and Seven of Wands. So much of no action energies in the past, and all of a sudden things are going really rough for you, or you are entering into that thing by yourself. You could be starting something new, like things are going on too much in your head. You want to do a lot of things, I feel, Libras. Like, the reason why you're passionate, see now the page of wands, I can feel it, I can feel that energy. You want to do a lot of things at present. You are doing, like, you want to get into a relationship as well. You want to start a new venture. You want to apply for a new job, or you want to learn something new, like new skills. You want to do a lot. You want to learn, you want to read books. There is a lot of things you want to do at present, and this is the reason. You are, you when you want too much, it's a matter like, what, from where should I start now? So there is that confusion which is coming up, but we will clarify this future energy. Let's see. Okay, so why the page of wands energy is here for my Libras overall energy? Libras, page of wands, six of wands, three of wands, and king of cups. So yeah, this is definitely strong planning for a successful future. You might be working, you might be planning for something new in terms of your work career, and it could be in terms of a very serious relationship. If you are dealing with a person over here with whom you have started getting strong vibes, this person is something, this person, I am really getting that vibe, you start to say that. So yeah, you are planning something for this person, and this is turning to be very good, because it's like a new passionate thing and you're loving it. Okay, same as when I'm saying about the career thing, so this is new, this is something which you love, which you want to get into, and all of a sudden you are working for the success, and trust me, you will get that success. Successes can be temporary, but these temporary small success will bring you to greater heights. All right, so let's see why the two of swords energy is there in the past. Three of pentacles, page of wands, and 10 of swords. So after something which was ended in the past, it could be a bad ending about something, so you started working on your pentacles, you started working more, you started focusing more on your money, on your work, and you could have started new things in the past only. It's not just about the present. You have started learning new skills, like some of you might have entered into tarot, or it could be a new manifestation technique, self-love techniques you could have studied. So yeah, so this is why you have learned a lot because of some bad endings. Strength energy, let me see. No, I want to see magician. Tell me about the magician card. Why the magician is here? Justice, high priestess, and two of swords again. Okay, so yeah, this could be you were developing your intuition, as I told you before. Also, you started knowing a lot of stuff. Some of you could have studied law during in the past, because I'm seeing a lot of paperwork happening, and you could be studying law, or you could have entered into something in relation with law, court issues, you were there. So yeah, you have done a lot of research, and a lot of studies have been done in the past, where you really wanted to utilize the skill, because you had the skill of doing something and you were utilizing that into big things. For some of you, there was a feeling of getting justice from the universe, so that's the reason you could have entered into some practices, which I told you, some good practices for yourself, so that there is that karmic balance which you could have, which you were doing in the past. The moon energy, why the moon is here? Hermit, two of wands, and six of pentacles. So wow, this is a very beautiful energy. I feel that you are The reason why you are planning for new things is because you could be traveling abroad. Some of you are planning for a visa, you are planning for abroad, and this is the reason you are going, because you want to end all the past energies. You are entering into the good karmic cycle because of the bad karma. So with the Justice and Six of Pentacles, see, both of them had the balance. These things, see, they are holding this balance thing. Okay, yeah, so a weighing scale, yeah, I was thinking what we call. Okay, so this is the weighing scale. So yes, they are holding that, and there is that energy of, you know, equal give and take, and whatever you are earning, you are giving some amount to some people, those who are actually in need, or at least you are thinking, because for some of you might have not started, but there is that inner thought in you that, you know, I should help people who actually deserve that help. Those people who are in need, I need to help them. So this is that help which you need to give to people. This is what is required. If you are not, for those who are doing this, it's a very good practice. So with the Hermit energy, it is telling me that you are yes, you are ready for a new commitment, but at the same time your inner soul has so much of magnified somewhere that, you know, if there is no person around you, that also is fine. You're also fine with that. I'm single, I'm happy. Yes, if somebody comes, that is sure, I will love that person, but at present you are fine. You do not want anyone like that. Okay, tell me about the King of Cups energy in the present. Temperance, Five of Swords, and Ace of Wands. So you could have entered into something chaotic. It could be a new decision or a new plan which seems chaotic to you, or which seems chaotic to somebody else, but you feel like, you know, it's fine. I'm fine with that chaos, and I'm fine with that because I have to start new. If I will not be able to take risks in my life, so how will I survive? If I will always if I will always think about the negatives, what might happen to me, what might not, so I will not be able to do some things whatever I want to. So that is the reason you are confused, as well as you want to get into something new. You do not think about the pros and cons of the future, you are just thinking about present. Okay, so let's see what this thing is going to bring you. Four of Cups. See, if for those people who are applying for a new job, so you might get some rejections in the early stages. Okay, but those people who really are ready to fight back, you know, those people who are ready to say, okay, fine, if I was rejected in the first interview or in the first thing, no matter what, I'm going to keep moving forward, because many of you are actually moving forward and they are really, really positive and optimistic about the situation. You are ready to take risks. People might be deceiving you in your journey. People might be saying that, you know, you cannot do this. By their words also, people will be saying a lot of bad stuff to you. There are a lot of jealousy, a lot of betrayal around you, envious energies as well, but you are standing still in the situation. Wow. Okay, let's see why the Seven of Wands energy is here. The Empress, the World, and Queen of Cups, because you decided, my dear Libras, you have decided to grow from within. You are the nurturer. You are becoming a very, very positive and optimistic person. You are the caretaker. You are caring, you're self-caring for yourself as well, you know. You are ending some bad karmic cycle in the coming future. So that is the reason people are getting this energy in you and they are envying you. Okay, so yes, there's a lot of envy in the coming future. So I like your energies, Libra, because you are becoming way too positive, right? Okay, so that is all from my side and I hope that helps. So we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.